Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5FM. Today, the fourth day of December 2024. Today is a Wednesday and the time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us. You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making headlines on The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Punch, Daily Post, The Nation. This day, and if time permits, we're also going to take a look at Nigerian Tribune newspapers. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08065796599. You can as well send SMS on 08138397740 or 08139256742. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Federal government seeks tax reform input, condemns ethnic slurs 2 years after hoodlums attack. Ebonyi police officers operate in makeshift stations. EFCC to charge ex-AMCON MD Arik Union Bank for theft. sex workers, decry rising violence, demand rights protection. Jigawa police arrest 22 for robbery, rescue kidnapped victim. Ex-Nasarawa lawmaker kidnapped, police ugly, killed. Upeburu swears in 3 judges, rejected by Obaseki. 400-level student kidnapped in Kogi, found naked in Para. Nigerian Security Civil Defense Corps. Mufa faces setback as court accepts EFCC evidence from FBI analysis. Now, mother's nightmare ends as a police rescue 5 abducted children. Shallow graves discovered as security dislodge IPOB ESN camps in Imo. 56 shops, rooms raised as lorry collides with high-tension cable in Ilorin. Ex-Imo commissioner sues police seeks 5 million naira damages over alleged rights violations. Human Rights Writers Association laws National Drug Law Enforcement Agency Act Amendment advocates financial autonomy for agency. Local government autonomy. 774 thieves are better than one big thief, says Ushomole. 2024 most challenging for Nigerian workers, says NLC. Why we changed our daughter's wedding venue. Adobayo's family. Human husband recounts heartbreaking ordeal of wife stabbing by apprentice. Group refurbishes police colleges Ikeja library. Gunmen abduct former lawmaker, kill police ugly in Nasarawa. Advocate seeks enforcement of Disability Rights Act to tackle systemic exclusion. Funeral rights for 18 Akpan begin December 12th. Police arrest one chance robbers in FCT, rescue pregnant woman. Navy gives free medical care to over 1,000 in Rivers community. Hawking of dog is prohibited. Lagos government. Niger Delta Youth Congress rejects a proposed tax reform bill. Enugu SME Center celebrates milestone completion of ITF NECA vocational training program. Nigeria ranked among 5 biggest political stability losers in sub-Sahara Africa. Court orders arrest of ex-AMCON MD over alleged 76 billion naira fraud. Court orders arrest of ex-AMCON MD over alleged 76 billion naira fraud. IGP strengthens cybersecurity efforts as police arraign cyber crime syndicate. ICPC intercepts a $300,000 students' ICT funds in suspicious accounts. Police uncover gun-making factory in Akwa Ibom. 400-level student kidnapped in Kogi, found naked in Para. Nigerian Security Civil Defense Corps. Ex-Nasarawa lawmaker kidnapped. We've taken this. Nigerians slams EFCC for hiding ex-government officials' identity in duplex forfeiture case. Local government autonomy. We've taken this. 2024 most